Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships. We are here with new scholarship video and today we are going to discuss about fully funded scholarship in Spain. So we will discuss a lot more about it and it's for session 2022 and 2023. You can study in Spain without IELTS requirements. So the scholarships are provided by Spanish universities and we will discuss in detail about that and how to apply for one and how to get admission as well as scholarship. Before we dig further into this, I am reminding you if you have not subscribed yet us on YouTube, please do subscribe. Also, if you like this video, please press the thumbs up button and share with it your friends. So to get to the scholarship link, you can check the video description. Like every video has its link in the video description. Please click on the link in the video description. It will redirect you to our website here. Once you land on our page, you can read about the details here. Also, you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So you can get our link of scholarships anywhere. Once you get the link, you can check Instagram bio here. The link is also for the scholarship. The easiest way to get the scholarship link, many students ask us, where is the video description? Please check the small arrow below the subscribe button. You can check the small arrow showing video details and there is on the top first there is the link. Simply click on that link in the video description. I hope your doubt is clear. So now you are on our website here. You can read the details about this scholarship. So details about scholarship in Spain are like the country is Spain. The famous location in Spain is Barcelona. So you can get there. Courses will be bachelor's, master's, PhD, and LLM, MBA. Everything will be covered under this. The funding is fully funded and it's provided with the Ministry of Education and Vocational Training and deadline varies between 2021 and 2022, so you can apply anytime. So here is a list of universities where you can study in without IELTS, so you can apply to these universities and you can apply without IELTS. So here is a list of scholarships that in Spain we are going to apply without IELTS and we have discussed top 3 that you can apply. Earlier we have also made separate video on UIC Barcelona scholarship, but today we are again showing you this process. Simply we will show the details about these scholarships and will show details how to apply to each of the scholarship. For first we are taking UIC Barcelona scholarship and here you can check for more information. You can simply apply here. This red button, simply click on this red button, apply button here. Once you click on that apply button, it will redirect you directly to our website, directly to the official website of UIC Barcelona, where you can read grants, financial aid and fundings. So you can check degree specific, you can go and you can check these scholarships. Those who are closed will be shown closed and those scholarships which are open, you can apply to them. Like there are scholarships separated by the academics also. You can check academic excellence scholarship. There are law students that can apply, want to study LLM and like that degrees, law degrees. Simply the next is academic excellence scholarship for health. Like if you are in a health related course, medicine related course, you can apply to that. Simply academic excellence scholarships like in education, you can apply to that. In communications, in architecture, business administration like BBA, MBA, and here are the grants for academic excellence. Here is the cooperation grant. So you can, here is the international excellence scholarship for international students. So you can apply to any of these scholarships that you think you are eligible to. So we will check these two and we are going to apply for this grants for academic excellence scholarship. So this scholarship we will apply, but before that let me check this cooperation grant also and let me check details about this. So okay, so click here. So let me check who offers it. So this is in the Spanish language, so let's skip that. So now we are going to apply for this grants for academic excellence. Simply click on more info here. Once you click on more info, you can check open it. So registration is open. So here on the top are the listed courses that you can study, and almost all courses are listed in it. So here on the top you can check registration form. So click on this registration form here. Once you click on that, it will take you to the admission request. Hello there, you can complete your application for admission here. Select the type of study you want to. So if you want to study for like undergraduate, so you can select degrees. However, you can go also for doctorate. I am going to apply show you this masters and postgraduate courses. So maximum students are looking for this. Simply then click on continue and let the page load. Now admission application, simply submit your name, then gender, then the email, choose the country, then email and date of birth. After date of birth, language, so you can say English. Okay, English. Nationality, choose the nationality, then country, then education system of origin. Outside of the European Union. So first choice, which course you want to apply. So you can choose your course, and once you check your course, you can simply apply to that course. You can check lot of courses are available here. So you can, okay, I am adopting this. So then you can comment in the event that you do not want to declare. So you can, I have read this, then I am not a robot, then simply click on send button. So let's check what's the next step. So thank you for sending your data. We will contact you soon as possible. But if to know more, you can check more information at UIC Barcelona here. So let's check here. So it will take us, and let us check also our email. So let me click the admissions first. For international students, you can also click here. But I have also completed, we have completed all the processes. So you will get more information in the email. So here you can check scholarships tab also. So we, as already we did, so we had submitted this. So once you apply to any course, you will be automatically considered scholarship based on your eligibility. So you will receive more details on email. So let me check my email first. So you can check we have successfully received your application. We have now begun the procedure for studying to UIC Barcelona. So along with this email, you should also receive another one with your login details for our platform. Okay, so we will receive another so that we can log into here. So you will need access to send us documentation. We need for you to be able to take entrance exam. So you have 15 days to submit the necessary documentations. Okay, let me. So once you click on this link, it will automatically take you to the login page. So let me show you the login page. So we have like personal information submitted. So now you need to go to this documentation. Click on documentation. This is for the UIC. So now let's wait for the documentation. So like we submitted the application form here, then we received the email. You click on this link here, it will automatically take you to the login page where you will be redirected to the login. So it will automatically log in with the link contains the email and the password. So you need to simply click on that and log in. So once you are logged in, you need to complete the other steps. So like you can choose the course here. So let it load. So here you can check. Okay, so I had previously submitted few documents, so we need to upload these documents. So CV is pending. So these are general documents. Then you need to submit the admission documents. So you need to upload all these: statement of purpose, recommendation letters, copies, portfolio, and English certificate, like your previous degree was in English. Once you complete that, you can now personal information already. Once you complete upload all these documents, then you can click on this entrance examination. So if you complete the first two sections, wait for the email. Program advisor will check everything is correct and we will let you know and date of your call as soon as possible. So once you complete these two steps, you have to wait for entrance session. So you will receive email that they will held interview with you. So once your interview is done, you can go to seat reservation. And so once your entrance examination like online interview is done, you can reserve your seat and then click on more. So then you can click on this scholarship here. Once you click on scholarship, you can check, you can apply to all these grants here. So you can click on any alumni, this, you can apply to any other scholarships. Let's say this application form is simply similar to all. So you can, if you are any alumni, you can upload the alumni certificate. However, if you are new, you can apply to these scholarships here. You have the same application. Also, you can add one more. If you add 2 degrees at the same time, you can add here. So once you are done with scholarships, you can check enrollment. So all these sections can be completed in order when you have received an email regarding the entrance. It may take 1 or 2 days. So once you receive that email, you can proceed to next steps. So it will be, the email will be similar to like this. Then you can have the like appointment here. You can schedule your date as per your own. Then you can complete this and scholarships at the same portal. I hope you understood the process for this. Let me show you the process for, we first did UIC. Now let me show you the European University of Atlantic. Simply click here. Once you click here, you can check collaboration scholarships. Simply you can read details about it. On the top right, you can see here application form. Simply click on this application form here. So once you click on that application form, you need to fill this application form. Your name, last name, first name, passport details, date of birth, email, addresses, then subject details, and all details. You should take the English translation of this, then fill like all the details, tick mark the universities where you have applied and which course you are applying. You need to fill all the details and then apply to this, date, signature, and then send it back on here. So you need to send on this email here. Once you complete this application form, you fill this application form for scholarship. You can study in any university and then send it on this email here. So deadline for this is 7th of January 2022, and you can apply to this scholarship as well. Now let's check the third University of Grande scholarship. Simply click on this apply here button. So let it load. This is like Erasmus Plus. If you have previously submitted to Erasmus Plus, you can submit that. So here you can check University of Grande, University of Oviedo, Utrecht, and you can apply to any of these university. All you have to do is just go to this University of Grande, and here you can check Erasmus Student Mobility. Simply click on this Erasmus Student Mobility here. So once you click, let the website load. You can check studying abroad. So it will automatically take the same website, and you can read. Here you can check how to apply. You can find course. So all you need to do is just keep the name of the university in consideration. Then simply here you can check how to apply. So let me show you how to apply section. Here is how to apply. You can apply through the International or Erasmus Plus office of your higher education institution. Okay, arrangements for international with physical and mental are also there. So you can frequently asked questions. So you can check frequently asked questions. Here you can check applying from outside the EU. You can click here on this, and then Erasmus Plus opportunities from outside here. So as we are international, so we need to go this. So you can simply click on how to apply here. It will take you to the how to apply section. So here you can check application forms. On here you can check how to take part. Click on this. So you can read all details here. Everything is mentioned here. So you can click read the guidance. You can check everything is mentioned here. So for individuals you can check, for students you can check everything like Erasmus Mundus joint master scholarship. You can click on this, then you can choose the courses. Everything is mentioned here, so you can simply apply to this scholarship as well. We have made separate video on this Erasmus Plus, so I don't need to submit another application for this Erasmus Plus. You can check our YouTube. We have few days ago. Here you can check. So let me open this. Let us skip the ads. So here you can check Erasmus Plus scholarship. You have to go to the same video. I will keep the link in the description below. You can also check that. Then you have to follow the same procedure and apply to any of the universities. Here you have to find your course, then select the university according to this University of Grande scholarship. I hope you have understood the whole process and you liked our video. Please do subscribe. Before leaving this channel, please do subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video. I am signing off for full scholarships. Have a nice day ahead.